There's no doubt that powered hand tools make our working lives easier. So much so that they can be easily taken for granted. Despite these advantages, bad work practices such as rushing, taking shortcuts, and a general lack of know-how can quickly turn those advantages into disasters. Eye injuries, shocks, abrasions, lacerations, nerve damage, fractures, amputations, electrocution, and even death are all possible by that one tiny mistake you could make during the operation of powered hand tools. In this video, the following topics will demonstrate how to avoid these mistakes: electric and battery hand tools, tool safety and risks, personal protective equipment, common tools and safety, pneumatic hand tools, tools and your surroundings.